Okay, we're looking at a letter. This is Harlan Kilstein Tactic10. Here we go. Financial and insurance, estate planner, quals off deathbed to begin helping clients again in caps. Okay, obviously, we are looking at a letter that has not been proofread. I was shivering so bad I thought I was having my final conversation with God. Okay, good line. Then, as if by a miracle, I heard the nurse say, "We found the bleeder." They took me to an operation room and, through modern technology, stopped the bleeding. Um, Listen, folks, this could have been a news headline on July 3rd when I almost died. That's a very weak sentence. I don't know who you're writing this to, but addressing, listen, folks, as if you're having a conversation with a best friend. I don't know who this is going. Then we have two things that are about you. I'm not sure that that is really interesting. You could combine all of this into one paragraph up here, okay? The point of the story is to tell you that anything can happen to anyone at any time. That really doesn't make any sense. It was a comforting G pieces of paper due. I don't know what you're talking about. To know that I had over $1 million of life insurance at the almost tragic time when I almost died could happen to anyone, even you. Now we're getting to the point. Take a look at your life insurance coverage. Okay, is there enough to make sure? This is hardly enough information here. And you don't want them to take a look at it. You want them to evaluate it with you. Don't wait another minute. Call me or send me an email, and this is unreadable. No one wants to think about dying, but it happens. Well, obviously, you need to think a little bit more about your offer here. There is no strong offer. How about tying it into the economy? How about tying it into things that they thought were safe, such as investments, may not be safe, and insurance will be there for them? Take some time out of your busy life and write a letter to those that are most important to you. What you've done here is, this is called your call to action, and then you've interrupted your call to action, and then told them some cute thing to do, which is nice and share the love, but it interrupted your call of action. What this does, and this is extremely important, is you've given them amnesia for what you wanted them to learn. So this is not going to work. Not an effective letter. I would have you study some letters of insurance in the business, but right now you don't have a sales letter. Harlan Kilstein for Tactic 10.